LG electric range, cooktop maintenance. This video will show you how to maintain the cooktop on an electric range. Caution: to avoid burns, wear oven mitts or use pot holders if you need to touch the cooktop surface while it is still hot. For safety, wait until the range has cooled down. Cooktop maintenance. While the cooktop is still warm, remove any burnt on deposits or spill food from the ceramic glass cooktop with a suitable metal razor scraper. Wear oven mitts to avoid burns. To prevent burns, wear an oven mitt or use a cookware holder while using the metal scraper. To avoid injuries or product damage, do not use a dull or nicked blade and keep fingers away from the sharp blade of the scraper. If soil is not removed after the first pass with the scraper, you may have to scrape repeatedly. Hold the scraper at approximately a 30-degree angle to the cooktop and scrub it like scraping paint off a window. Never use a dull or nicked metal blade or plastic blade to clean the cooktop. They can damage the cooktop glass surface. Take care to avoid damaging the seal when cleaning the cooktop with a metal razor scraper. When the cooking surface has completely cooled, apply a few fingertip-sized dabs of a ceramic glass cooktop cleaner in each burner area. Work the cleaning cream over the cooktop surface with a damp cotton cloth. Leave the cleaner on for 10 minutes before rinsing it off. Rinse the cooktop with clean water and wipe it dry with a clean, dry cloth. Paper towels may not remove the cleaner completely and leave a residue. Cotton cloths are better at removing the cleaner. Ceramic glass cooktop cleaner and metal razor scrapers can be found online. Do not use chlorine bleach, ammonia, or other cleaners not specifically recommended to clean ceramic glass cooktops. Do not use scrub pads or abrasive cleaning pads to remove stains on the cooktop. See the owner's manual for the recommended cleaning method for various situations. How to clean the cooktop seal. To remove burn on soil from the seal around the outside of the glass cooktop, cover the area with a warm, wet cloth to soften the soil. After a few minutes, wipe the area clean with a mild, non-abrasive cleaner. Do not use a knife or any sharp object to clean the seal around the outside of the ceramic glass cooktop. Take care to avoid damaging the seal when cleaning the cooktop with a metal razor scraper. Chips or brown streaks or specks are usually the result of spillovers that burned on from the heat of the cooktop. Sugary spillovers that are allowed to harden are the most frequent cause of this issue. If the sugar is not cleaned off quickly, it may cause a dull spot on the ceramic glass. When you later try to remove it, it may cause pitting or chips in the glass. Remove sugary spills from the cooktop immediately with a metal scraper. Wear an oven mitt to avoid burns. Do not slide cookware across the cooktop surface. It can scratch the cooktop surface. Do not use cookware with any dirt buildup on the bottom. The dirt may scratch the cooktop. Cookware with bases made of some metals can leave a discoloration on the cooktop. Coarse particles like grains of salt, sand, and sugar between the cooktop and cookware can cause scratches and metal marks. You may be able to remove these marks with a ceramic glass cooktop cleaner. If it looks as if the underside of the ceramic glass is discolored, this is the result of the calcium components of water being deposited on the ceramic glass by a chemical reaction. Spilling water or foods containing calcium, such as baking powder, wine, wheat, spinach, or broccoli, can cause this issue. If water or foods containing calcium spill, remove the spill carefully and immediately with a dry paper towel. Wear an oven mitt to prevent burns.